makirithia ng'ombe muthemba wa sahiwal nirionekanite kugia na maciaro undu uria wambiriirio kana undu uria wambirio miaka 5 mihituku. Mubango uyu uri urugamirirwo ni thirikari ni utanyitwo kugia na kiguni na makiria kuri arimi kuona ati ng'ombe imwe iri no hoti okorwo ikiruta lita 10 nginya lita 15 o muthenya, na kuringana na murugamiriri munene wa mihang'o eno Samuel Mbugu ni atarite kana koletwa kiuga ati ni mahuthetio gukinyiria andu aya tekinology na iria imateithĩtie na njĩra nene.
Kuja mnasimama alafu chairman tamruhusu aseme maneno mawili.
The main objective has been to increase productivity of the Saiwo cattle among the smallholder farmers in my community, and specifically focusing on milk production in this particular part of Narok County. That was the main objective of this project.
We came to hand over to the community a research project by KALRO, more specifically our researcher here, Dr. Mbuku, the Sahiwal breed of cattle, which are high yielding in terms of meat and milk.
Hii mambo ya Sawal tumepitia mambo mengi na tumefaidika nayo. Wako na challenges mingi. Tumejifunia kupata dume kutoka Naivasha, ya kupata dume kutoka AI. Kumbe mambo ya AI ni kitu ya maana.
Unfortunately, the cows produce a lot of milk, but there are two major problems we have seen as National Research Fund. Two major ones: lack of adequate water, which is an impediment to the persons living here and the livestock therefore. Number two, lack of a cooler. Coolers in this country here have gone some other places, but this place is urgently in need of coolers for the milk that is produced.